In this video, I will show you the OCR tool and how it works.
We have already configured the setup for a good image and trained the locator on our target. To configure the tool, select the third step. Now you can add a tool by clicking on the Add Tool button. In this dialog, you can choose which tool or application you want to use. In our case, we will use the OCR tool. The tool is added to our inspection program and is ready to use. First, we need to define the area of interest by dragging the rectangle into the correct position. If possible, give it enough space around the characters. This helps the algorithm to identify the characters more accurately. Next, go to step 2. Enter the characters that you expect to see in the defined area and click the Train button. As you can see, the space was removed from the training text. This is because spaces cannot be detected by an OCR tool. The training process tries various setups to achieve the best possible result for your application. The result is correct, as you can see down here. We can now define the expected characters. As you can see, the tool returns NOK if the string does not match exactly. Let's now take a closer look at our expert settings. By default, the character classes are selected. This defines what type of characters can be part of the found string. In our case, the trained word only contains capital and lowercase characters. The second match mode is the character pattern. This is a very powerful way to define the pattern of the text where you're searching for. It's not just a way to get the tool to say OK or NOK, it also helps to make the search process much more precise for your application's needs. As you can see, if we change a lowercase character to a capital character, the tool finds an upper T instead of a lower R. Therefore, you can make your application much more stable if you know the kind of pattern the text will have.
Our OCR tool finds automatically all the parameters for your setup. You just have to give a reference text and push the train button. Our automated optimization process finds all the parameters for your setup. If you are an expert and want to change some more stuff by yourself, you can do this in the expert settings. So we provide a very easy to use tool for a precise and perfect OCR.